Hey again everyone, this is Fuad and let's make a free hanging ladder for your pet bird using popsicle sticks and a little bit of super glue. Let's begin. So grab 2 pieces of popsicle sticks and use your super glue to apply just 1 drop onto the corner of the popsicle stick and stick your other piece together. You want to make sure you use very limited amount of glue because if it leaks from the sides, it's going to be toxic for your birds. So here I've got my 2 long pieces of popsicle stick acting as the stands for the ladder, and I've also got some few unusual type of popsicle sticks. I don't know why I bought them in the first place, so just thought I'd use these for my DIY project. So first of all, I'm going to apply some glue on one corner. So guys, as you can see, I've stuck all these pieces to the large stand and all I have left is to stick the other piece. Now this time I thought about something a bit different. I'm thinking about overlapping these popsicle sticks like this. So guys, this is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna hang it up in the cage and let's see if my birds like it.